What is learningBOX? learningBOX is a cloud-based learning management system. You can develop online courses easily by yourself. This is the admin screen. Dashboard displays the four major elements of learningBOX. You can learn, create content, manage users, and check scores from here. Now, let's click on Users. From this plus button, you can add users and groups. If you want users to have some roles like creating content, just click on the icon and select the roles. Content creation is also very easy. Go to Content, create a course, and click on this plus button. You can create a variety of content from here. Of course, you can create quizzes or exams easily. learningBOX has 13 quiz types: multiple choice questions, true-false, matching, sequencing, and more. In addition to those quizzes, you can create, upload, or embed PDFs, PowerPoint or slides as a digital textbook, videos for lectures, questionnaires for feedback from users. On the report, you can make users write down their answers on their screens. Personalize your course whatever you want. At the Manage score, when users take the quizzes created in learningBOX, they are automatically scored and recorded in the system instantly. You can check who attempted the content, display the student's response analysis, and export data to CSV format. If there are any users who haven't finished the content, you can send a reminder to them in just a few steps. When users finish content, why don't you praise them using badges and certificates? These elements of gamification will improve learning engagement. learningBOX is not just an LMS for repetitive learning. We offer versatile and user-friendly functions to enhance your personalized learning experience at incredibly low cost. When you start with 100 users with a starter plan, it will cost you just $300 a year. That means 25 cents per head per month. Now, let's start a new journey at learningBOX.online.